Don't be afraid to break out your alcohol inks and try something new. Right here, we've created an abstract. We did this in a live, which I'll link at the very end, but there's a trick to kind of getting this look. You got to be able to play with it. You have to be able to be willing to wash away the art. Yes, you heard me, but that can be very scary. It doesn't have to be. This is kind of like some of those unique areas that we created by doing just that. And that way, you're creating something that's so organic, so new, it's a one of a kind, and that's priceless. So that when you connect with your loved ones or when you sell that piece, I mean, it's really something special. Now I'm going to turn this, I can't decide. Should I turn it into cards, like backgrounds for cards, or should I frame it? I haven't really decided yet. I'd love to know in the comments. So leave me a comment and tell me what you think. And if you want to catch the live, here it is.